Hello and welcome to Hit Guns Online Tutorial. My name is Eric, I'm your technician for today.
I'm Michael and I'll be operating the camera.
Okay, today we're going to cover a common issue that we run across and that most airsofters run across when they use these SPR style flip sights. I don't know if SPR is the exact name, but SPR is the name of the front sight that usually comes with these on the S system. Anyways, assuming that you probably did this by accident, when you flip it open, you might have actually pulled this hook out. Oops. And the spring came out, and automatically you're panicking, going, what do I do? What do I do? I broke it, I broke it. The truth is, you didn't break it. It's not that hard of a fix, and it may seem difficult at first, but we're going to help clarify that today. The way to prevent this from happening is generally try not to pull on it, but accidents do happen, especially when you're getting shot at. The last thing on your mind is the care of your gun. Okay. What you want to do, in order to properly set this in, the first step is to take this spring right here that came with it. If you notice, there's a part that's longer that sits on the back of this, so it'll properly spring back and forth. And if you'll notice down here, it kind of G's out right there. It literally is shaped like a G.
You mean a J?
No, it's a G. Look. See?
Let's see.
This is where the indent on the J hook sits, which allows it to flip and not flip. But you know, okay. So what you want to do at first is flip the sight over, assuming you have it off your gun just like I have it here. Make sure that this part is facing downwards, and it's facing flush with the.
What part is facing downwards?
The part that sticks out on the spring, the part that's pretty prominent, which would be this part right here. Right there. That part right there.
So, this little thing right here.
Mm-hmm. Very good, Michael. You want to make sure that this sits symmetrically down with this, to where, we'll show you a close-up of that in a second. It has to sit just like that. So it has a place to sit and be able to spring back and forth. It has tension to sit on. Sorry.
See how the spring is?
Sorry for a lack of better term, people. I'm going to just make it up as I go along. Okay. Once you have it in place like this, the next step is to take the J-hook and set it in just like this, like properly like this, until it meets up with the G indent on the inside. Now once you've done this, what you want to do is not push it in all the way, rather just enough to where it can cause tension on it, and you want to turn it backwards like this until it sits just like that. Set it in more accordingly, and it should just sit just like this, and it should be spring-loaded to where it locks down like that. And then, there you go. It's perfect, fine and dandy. You're able to use your flip sight scan, like so. And this concludes how to repair an SPR sight, if that's what it's called, on a M4, M16 style gun. Thank you for choosing Hit Guns, and we hope that you play safe and hope that you take care.